everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Engineering Zindabad. I'm Pragriti Agrawal, and today what we are doing, we are taking a very basic example on how to start with PyQt. Okay, that will help you start with PyQt, and in the coming lectures on where I will be coding it on system, we will be understanding how to create apps through PyQt. Okay, we will be creating some brilliant apps now. So today, since it is the starting, I'm taking a very simple concept on how to create a window, how to show it, and what application instance does. So we will be starting with importing. If you are a person who doesn't have this Jupyter notebook into your system, or you don't know how to install Python, then I will create a separate video for that on installing Python and then installing PyQt by using pip install PyQT5. Like, you have to simply write this statement. If you have Python in your system, pip install PyQT5, this one, right? So it will show you that it's already installed if it's installed on your system, but if it isn't there, then it will like install it for you. So yeah, see here it is written that requirement is already satisfied, so we can just ignore the warnings. Now basically what we have to do, we have to start by importing this sys module. Right now the next thing is, what we are doing, basically we have to create a window. In order to create that window, we have to import these modules. Okay, so let me do it in front of you. Remember, these lines are very important that I am mentioning right now. Import what we have to import, a Q application, so that we can create an instance of it. And the second thing that we have to import is the Q widget. Okay, through which we will be creating a window. Okay, the main window that we will be showing. Now in order to create that Q application instance, I told you that this is used for handling the UI interaction, right, with the user. Like the user is able to interact with that UI. It's because of this Q application instance. It is the one that does it. Okay, so let me create it, application. And inside this, I already told you, like while explaining you on board, before this, previous to this video, there's a video in the playlist, you can go check it out if you don't know. I told you about event loops, right? And I also told you that the other thing that this Q application instance is used for is to take the parameters. If the user wants to pass the parameters explicitly while running the app, so how do we run the app, since this is the ipynb file? Okay, this is not the Python file. So if you want a very separate video in order to help you understand, if you want me to help you understand what is this ipynb, what is .py file, then I will create a separate video. Else, like, we will be continuing creating apps in this VS Code. Okay, so I have this inside my system, but I will help you also with this, like how to get VS Code, how to install Python, and then how to install PyQt5 and then create apps inside VS Code, right? So that would be the full-fledged way of creating apps. But for now, I'm just taking an example, and that's why I have just taken it on Jupyter notebook. So yeah, inside the argument we will be passing sys.argv. That means, let's suppose if it had been a Python file, .py file, then while running the app, we are writing the statement Python, and then the Python keyword comes first, and after that we write the name of the file that we have to run, and after that comes the arguments. So if you have some arguments that you want to pass explicitly, okay, and that will be used while running the app, then this sys.argv is used. Else you can also pass this blank list. Okay, so for now we are writing sys.argv. Now what we will be doing, we will be creating a window that we need to show. Okay, the app will be consisting of this window thing. Okay, so let me create this window. So it will be Q window. No, Q widget. Okay, Q widget. So everything is a widget, as I told you. So we have created this widget, And now this window is to be shown. By default these windows are hidden in nature. Okay, so we have shown this, and also we will execute this app. Spelling mistake. We have now executed this app. That means this event loop will start, and it will be ready to take any events. It will to encounter any events and respond to them. Okay, so when we run this, what mistake have I committed? Qt widgets, not this Qt widgets. Yes, Qt widgets. So wait, let me run this. Yes, so we have this window that does nothing right now, but this is the very basic window that we have created using PyQt. Now in further coming videos we will be understanding on how to create apps through PyQT5 and Python. So stay tuned, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. And if you want to ask many questions, then do comment below without thinking anything. Okay, I will be replying to any kind of comment. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.